All right, this is how you are going to log in. You are going to click on this button here. Then you will come to this page and click on login to enroll. Then click on register an account. Type your username that you want to register with and your email address here. And once you are done, hit register. A message will be sent to your email address. Click on the link that is sent to your email address. If you don't see it in inbox, go to your promotion folder or spam folder and drag it to inbox. Then click on the link and set your password, a password that you can easily remember. And once you are done, come back to this URL or this page and type your username here and your password here and hit login, and boom, you are logging. So you now have access to all the videos. Thank you. See you there.